Every morning, I stay with you to welcome the rising sun. Every evening, I stand here with you to enjoy the flashing neon lights. We are jointly witnessing the vigorous development of our city. And every elevation for you is our commitment to the security. Constant care for the construction elevation security comes from Zhong Baolong. In the past years, the economy has developed rapidly in China. With the continuous process of urbanization, the construction industry and auxiliary industries have ushered in brand new development and infinite future. Since the date of establishment, Zhong Baolong has always focused on the explorations of frontier technology on elevator security to provide safe and efficient construction elevation solutions for the high-rise buildings, bridges, tunnels and mine pits at home and abroad. After years of development, it has become one of the main suppliers of construction elevators in China, and kept a good cooperation with many large-scale construction units, such as Shanghai Construction Engineering Group, China Construction, China Railway Construction, China Communications Group, Shaanxi Construction Engineering Group, China Metallurgical Group Corporation, Fujian Construction Engineering Group, and Nantong No. 2 Construction Group. Meanwhile, the products have been exported to the America, Europe, Africa, Southeast Asia, as well as other countries and regions. We are always thinking about how to make our products stand the test of time. We are always thinking about how to ensure the product security, which originates from the creation of Zhong Baolong brand value, the pursuit of continuous innovation, and the awe of responsibility. As a supplier of construction elevating equipment, the main products include SC Series Ordinary Construction Elevators, SC Series Frequency Conversion Construction Elevators, SC Series Special Elevator Models, as well as relevant accessories. Many products have been awarded with patent certificates and EU CE certification. In the past 3 years, the company has achieved impressive results in the economic benefits and market share. Based on the concept of people-oriented, respecting and valuing talents, and a continuous innovation in the management system, we have recruited more than 300 excellent employees, 33 engineering technicians, and 52 senior technicians, who act as the powerful driving force to promote the development of our company in the future. Meanwhile, the modern manufacturing management, such as the lean product concept and in-time planning, have been introduced to quickly improve the management efficiency and production capacity of the company. We have established high standard quality control system according to the ISO 9001 standard to strictly control each production process by professional testing equipment and realize the high quality, consistency and stability of all products. good after-sales service and high-quality product supply have won unanimous praise from all our customers at home and abroad. The one-time pass rate of delivered products have reached 99%. The customer satisfaction rate has reached 95%, and the contract fulfillment rate has reached 100%. Take the lead in the industry with sincere cooperation, high quality and professional standards, concentration and craftsmanship ensure extreme security. Zhongbao Loan promises the security of construction elevating equipment.